Hello everyone, I am your English teacher from Silverbell CPSE school and today we are going to start chapter 3 I have got of class 7 of English subject in our grammar portion. So we use have in the sense of own or suffer from. You all know that have is to be from and have means owning or possessing something. So we use have in the sense of own or suffer from. Look at the following examples. We have two cards. For your kind information, you all have to remember that we use has with he, she and it only, and with rest of the pronouns we use have. So look at the following examples. First, we have two cars. Second, she has blue eyes. Third, he has a weak heart. Fourth, I have a bad headache. So, in spoken English, the form of have got is most often used in place of have. We can use have got in place of have. For example, she has got blue eyes. She has got blue eyes. Here we are using a short form of has got in the sentence. Second, we have got two cars. After that, we have got two cars. Third, he has got a weak heart. He has got a weak heart. The pronunciation of both the sentences is same. Fourth, I have got a bad headache. Then, I have got a bad headache. But we cannot use got with have in short answers. Short answers में हम गॉट हैव के साथ यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैज़ योर ब्रदर गॉट अ कैमरा? द करेक्ट वन इज यस ही हैज़. वी कैन नॉट यूज इट लाइक यस ही हैज़ गॉट. सेकेंड, हैव यू गॉट एन आइस बॉक्स? द करेक्ट सेंटेंस इज यस वी हैव. वी कैन नॉट यूज इट लाइक यस वी हैव गॉट. नॉट द फॉलोइंग हैव गॉट forms: affirmative, that means positive, and negative. Full forms and short forms. I have got, and the short form is also given here. You have got, you have got. Full forms, short forms: I have not got, I haven't got. These are negative sentence and these are positive sentence. Affirmative and negative, you all have to remember. You can examine the rest of the sentences yourself. Now see in answer to the following questions. Have I got? The short answers are yes, I have. Have you got? Yes, I have. Or no, I have not. Now look at the following exercise. Complete the table and have got, add have got or has got. Then write the short forms. Also, you have to complete this table in the textbook yourself. As I told you before that you can use has with he, she, it only, and with rest of the pronouns you have to use have. Look at exercise 2. Rewrite each sentence using have got in place of have. In the following sentences you have to use have got in place of have only. Have you a dog? So the answer is have you got a dog. Has she any children? And the answer is has she got any children. Rest of the sentences you can solve yourself. Now look at this exercise. Complete the sentences using the proper form of have got plus one of these. So look at first one. Most cars have got, for which that you all know. Second, we must hurry. We haven't got much time. Third, Mr. Roy is a rich man. He has got a lot of money. Fourth, I am not feeling very well. I have got a headache. Sixth, I have got a motorbike but haven't got a car. Look at fifth one. We have missed it. He can't open the door. He hasn't got the key. Now friends, we cannot use have got in place of have in the following cases. कुछ conditions ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे हम have got have की जगह पे यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. For example, have is equal to eat or drink. take, enjoy or experience. Now look at the following table. Have breakfast, lunch, dinner, a meal, a sandwich, a pizza, a cup of coffee, a glass of milk, something to eat or drink. So here we cannot use have got in place of have. After that, have a bath, have a shower, have a rest, have a holiday, have a party, have a nice time, have a good journey, have a walk, have a swim, have a game, have a dream and have an accident. So look at the following examples. We have tiffins in our bag. So here have is equal to have got. We cannot use it like we have lunch during the recess. Here have is equal not have got. Second, he has a new car. Here has is equal to has got. And in second one, he has a ride in it every morning. Here has is not equal to has got. Now look at the following exercise. Complete each sentence with have or had plus an item from the list. Look at the first one. I was thirsty, so I had a glass of water. Second, I always dash before dinner. I always have a shower before dinner. Third, I am feeling hungry. Shall we have something to eat? 4. We enjoyed our holiday and dashed together. We enjoyed our holiday and had a nice time together. 5th, I like to get up early and dash in the park. Answer is I like to get up early and have a walk in the park. Sixth one, Tina is a very good driver. She never dash. So Tina is a very good driver. She never had an accident. 7th, we dashed last Sunday. We invited 50 people. We had a party last Sunday. We invited 50 people. 8th one is I dash at the newspaper before I left for my office. I had a quick look at the newspaper before I left for my office. So friends, we have completed our chapter here. Read and revise it once again. Thank you.